Hi everyone, welcome to the Language Training Center. Today we will learn lesson 52 and lesson 54. Where do they, what nationality? Okay, sağda işləyəşimizdə. Bizdeki oldunqı dərsimizdeki 52 dərs qab qalğan. Şunama? Hem de 52 dərslə 54 dərsinki hem de şu məzmun cəhətdən bir qədər bağlanışlıq, yaxın bolğanlıq tüpəyildən hem de bu iki dərsin bırakılan sizlərə sözləp verməkçi. Andaqda qaranlar avalımı şu bir yeni sözlərini bilib şağıla. Countries and nationalities. Okay. Hem de bugünkü dersimizde şu dövlətlə, hem de şunun dövlət təvəllikini bir öyrənib çıxmaqçı. Mesela yeni sözlər qaranlar. Okay, look, it's America, right? Hem de bu Amerika. Amerika'nın demesi America. America. Yakı mən sən deməli, sənlə USA şunama. Bunun qısqartılması demək ki, United States of America. Hem de bunun süpət şəkli Amerikalıq, yakı nationality bolsa American. So, where do they come from? Okay, where do they come from? They come from America. Or they come from USA. The USA, right? And what nationality are they? Alar qaysı dövlətlik desə, they are American. Right? They are American. America? American. Okay, and the next one is where it's England. You know, they are English, right? And the bottom England. England. Demek mushu Great Britain. Mushu Britaniyanınki bir mühim bolğan dövlət nima England. England komandası deb anlagan boluşuңuz mümkün. Şunama? Endi bu Angliyalik bolsa English. What nationality are they? They are English. Qarama. Bu Beckham balları bilan ekan bu hamda London Bridge. Degandek. Okay, next one. Wow, where? Which country is it? You know, it's Japan. What nationality are they? They are Japanese. Right? You know, they are Japanese people. Okay, and the Japonya degende Japan, Yaponiyalik bolsa Japanese. Japanese. All right, where? Do you know which place? Do you know which place it is? You know, it's Australia. Australia. Australia, Australia. And the Australialik bolsa Australian. Such as Australian student and an Australian car. Okay? Australian. Wow, where is it? It's Italy. Italy. Italia. Şunama? Italia ne? Italy. And İtaliyalik bolsa Italian. Italian amayda Rome. Şunama? Italian. It is Italian. Wow, where is it? It's Holland, right? Gollandiya. İntayın gül dövlətine aittir. Güzel dövlət. Holland and bu Dutch. Go Dutch. Mesela tank çıkaraylı degende Go Dutch da bugün şunama. Okay, Holland. And muş dövlətin deməyimiz sanla Holland. Okay, Holland. And bir erkek neydi sanla Dutch. Dutch. Gollandiyalik. Okay, Paris. Right? It's France. And Fransa degende dövlət namı nə? France. Fransa. And Fransiyalik bolsa French. And the most specific, what nationality? Okay, what nationality is he? He's French. Good. This is Spain. Bu qısqaşdırışnama. Bu İspanya'nın şunama. Bu Spain, Spanish. Spain, Spanish. Wow, Russia. Russia. Russia. Здравствуйте, right? It's a Russian. Bu Rusya'nınki. Russian. Russia. Russian. What about Korea? Korea, it's food from Korea, right? And you know, people from Korea we can call Korean. Like Korean food, Korean, what? A Korean girl. Good. Next one is Brazil. Okay, Brazil. Brazil deganimiz nima? Braziliya. Braziliya. Buning Brazilian degani Braziliyalik. Brazilian. Braziliyalik. Hem de şu Brazilian değil mi? Brazilia'nın Brazilia'lik. Brazilian. Brazil, Brazilian. Okay, next one is Norway. Norway. Hadi bu Norway dediğimiz ne? Yani sanla Norway. İşte ama Norway. It's Norwegian. Norvegialik. Keyingisi şu Sweden, Shvetsiya. Ko'ringlarmi bu Shvetsiyaniki davlat bayrog'i. Tushunami? Buni Swedish. Ilgari o'rganib chiqqan. Tushunami? Birisi Austria. Austria degan Yevropadik davlat. Australia bilan o'xshamaydi. Mana Austria. And Austrian degan shu Austriyalik. Austria, Austrian. Canada, Canadian. Okay. Canada, Canada. Tushunami? Yana birisi Canadian. Good. This one is Finland. Nokia'nın yurt deyishnaami. Nokia bilan tanglab qo'yamda. Keyin vayron bo'ldi bu shirkat. Bu nima? Finland. And the Finlandiyalik bo'lsa Finnish. Okay, what about this? This one is India, right? It's Indian. Okay, I'm sure Hindustan. India, Indian. That one is Poland, Polish. And the Polsha, Poland, Polish. Next one is Thailand. Thailand, Thai, Thailandlik bo'lsin bo'lursan, Thai. What about this Nigeria? Okay, that one is Nigeria. Is Nigerian. Okay, and who's this? This one is, Prime Minister of the Turkey, right? He is Turkish, and the Turkiyaning bo'lsa Turkish. Turkiya bo'lsa Turkey, Turkey, Turkish. Get. Next one is America. What's that? American. Okay, England, English. Japan, Japanese. France, French. Okay, Spain, Spanish. Australia, Australian. Okay, Italy, Italian. Right? Holland, Dutch. Good. Russia, Russian. Korea, Korean. Okay, Brazil, Brazilian. Good. Norway, Norwegian. Okay, Sweden, Swedish. Canada, Canadian. Australia, Austrian. Austria, Austrian. Good. And Finland, Finnish. India, Hindustan, India, Indian. Good. Thailand, Thai. Okay, Poland, Polish. Nigeria, Nigerian. Okay, Turkey, Turkish. Demek hamda bu yerda davlatning nomlari hamda nima desanlar? Davlat tabarligi. So let's practice. Practice makes perfect.